much po, Sir Enzo. And now, let us welcome Sir Domeng. Ayan, nasa ang ating winner kanina sa Best Dress. Kumako lang sila sa TV niya. Nagkalaki niya isot niya abot daw eh.
Everyone I saw all swore they what's the fun song? Main attraction, couldn't buy a seat. The celebrities would die to meet. I've had
Thank you so much, Apo Domeng. And now let's welcome Sir Totoy. Sir Totoy! Para pa ka naman, other people?
sharing a love I thought would last forever. Who'd like to show the way so we can follow? Waiting inside her eyes was my tomorrow.
Kasi sunod-sunod na sila. O, di ba? O, di ba? Let's officially branch out in law, di ba, Marami?
I'm crossing you a time someday. Open your heart.
Thank you so much. Next we have another contract. We have Michael Adrian.
You ask how much I need you. Must I explain? I need you, oh my darling. I won't be waiting. You ask how long I love you.
Thank you so much, Sir Michael Adrian. Next we have ang anak po ni Mami Remy, Sir Jack Regalado.
Till 12 of never. Love you with all of your heart. That's all I want. Love me with all of your heart, your heart and all.
Next po natin, ang apo ni Mami Remy, si Angelo.
Sino ang hilungan? Ate! Ayun yung anak ni Kelman! Ayun yung panganay!
Head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me oh so tight, show me that you love me too. Put your lips next to mine, dear. Won't you?
And for the last row, we have Lola Jo, ang kapatid po ni Mami Remy. Palakpakan naman everyone!
Put your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me oh so tight, show me that you love me too.
Sumayaw ka niya dyan ngayon. Diyan kayo sayaw. Sumayaw ka dyan. Isayaw mo siya dyan, Juan. Sumayaw ka dyan. Sige. Ah, sayaw ka sayaw ka.
So at this juncture, we are now witnessing one of the highlights of our event. Ayan ang pagsasayaw po ng dalawang magkapatid. Palakpakan naman, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan naman everyone. Thank you so much, Sir Jack. Thank you so much, Sir Jack. And now, let's welcome Madam Len. Ayan, Madam Len. Ang liit ng mukha ni Madam Len.
Hi Mama, happy birthday. Thank you for everything. Thank you for loving us. Siyempre, kila Amara, Yasha, and Sabi. You're the greatest mom. You're the perfect mom in the whole world. Thank you talaga sa lahat ng mga sacrifices. Kahit na may asawa na ako, you're always there for us. Yun lang po. I love you, Mama.
Thank you so much, Madam Len. And of course, fresh from United Kingdom. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome Ma'am Jen.
Mother. Actually, magkasama kami ni Mama sa YouTube. Yeah. Tapos, binigay niya na
dito sa Philippines mag-celebrate ng 80th birthday. So kahit kakaunan namin ng December, gusto niyang ma-reunite with her cousins and mga kapatid niya hindi niya madalas makita. Happy birthday, Ma! Thank you for everything. Thank you for being the best mom in the world. Sana magabayan mo pa lahat ng mga apo mo at ako mo sa tuhod, kagaya ng paggabay mo sa akin. And yeah, we will always be there for you. We love you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Jen. Thank you so much, Madam Jen. So there you have it.
Mother, yes! Happy birthday to Jen Mother. Masakit na ang iyo panganay. Ay, eto. Eto talaga, trivia. Magkapangalan kami. Hindi ko ba naman alam dito kay Mother, bakit sa dami ng pangalan, Mother sa mundo, Remedios talaga. Hindi naman Ana o Maria, di ba? Mother, happy birthday sana, napasaya ka namin lahat ngayon. More birthdays to come. Happy tayo sa may natatanggap sa munisipyo. Kilalakad ko yung citizen. Abutin ko sana ng 100, tapos happy tayo. Ha? Ay, kunin na natin 80, 10,000. Bukas na bukas, Lunes, pupunta tayo sa munisipyo. Pa-senior citizen ID kita mo. Happy birthday again!
Thank you so much, Ma'am Ren.
Nakita ko rin tayo ulit. Yeah, at sana, yes, yeah. Thank you. My time, bago ako bumalik sa London, hindi ko pa ako, pero kung may time pa, dahil mga ako, plano na ako, pipignin kung saan. So, before ako balik sa London, if you still next time, then we can get together after my house. So you can see my place. You're so good to see it. Yeah. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.